flap our wings like a bird, or jump around like a frog. Swing our trunk like an elephant, and wag our tail like a dog. Monkey see, monkey do. I want to play with all of you. Monkey see, monkey do. I want to play with all of you.
Hello there. Today we're going out on an outing to a place that you know very well. Have you guessed already? You can call me Mr. Snail. Slowly follow in my trail. I am here to tell the tale of nature's beauty, sounds and smells.
If I climb up all the way, I can pick myself some fruit. Hip hip hooray! The mouse started climbing and suddenly got a shock. The rock began to move. This rock is not a rock. It has a mane and a mouth and two big eyes. This rock is a lion. What a nasty surprise.
Hello, Miss Triangle! Miss Triangle, listen to our loud music.
Hi guys, I'm the drum, digga-digga-digga, and on my head, bum-ba-dum-ba-dum-bum, and on my head, digga-digga-dum-dum. You can pound, it's fun, son.
I play my tune all day long for the big and for the small. Just trail along my keys. I'm the piano after all.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go!
A pair of shoes.
Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We worked together and got it right!
Toolie, Toolie, off on his way. Toolie, what will you discover today?
Whose little tail is that? Sheep!
Mamá,
Papá,
niño,
Niña,
mamá,
papá.
niño.
niña,
A todos nos gusta jugar, siempre nos gusta jugar. A todos nos gusta jugar y juegos de adivinar.
es grandioso.
¡Guau!
Vamos chicos, miren.
¡Guau!